everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami box. So, yeah, what you're going to need is just a square sheet of paper. So, you're going to just take the top edge, and you're going to fold it down to the bottom. And then you're going to open it back up, then fold the left edge to the right edge. Just like this. And give it a good crease. Then you're going to open it back up, and you're going to take all the 4 corners and fold them into the middle. And as you see right here, this edge right here, this edge of the paper touches this edge right here. So here you're going to do it to all 4 corners. Then what you're going to do when you have another square is you're going to fold it in half, like this. Give it a good sharp crease. Fold that back up, and then do the same thing on the other side. You're going to open it back up, and then you're going to fold the left side into the middle, that middle line that we just filled. Then you're going to take this right side, and you're going to fold it into the middle. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom and fold it into that middle line. Give it a good sharp crease. Then you're going to take the top and fold it into the same middle crease. Then you're going to open it all up until you have something that looks like this. And you're just going to push down all these creases. So then you're going to pick one side, it doesn't matter which one, you're going to open it up, just like this. And then you're going to fold this part in, just like this. So you're going to take this part and fold it in, like that. Then you're going to take this part and fold it in, like that too. And then you're going to fold it, as you see behind there's a little crease right there. You're going to fold it down on that crease. And you're going to just give that crease a good crease. Then you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to do it again, and yeah, so you're going to push both sides in. And then you're going to fold, so you're going to push both sides in. I don't know why this is not. Okay, and then you're going to fold the other side in too. And it gives them both good crease, both sides. And you're going to fold it in just like this and give it a good crease. Then all you have to do is you're going to give all 4 sides creases. Just like this. So yeah, there you go, you have your box. And yeah, so thanks for watching this tutorial on how to make the origami box. So and one thing you also might want to do is tape it right in the middle so these flaps don't always come undone. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on how to make the origami box. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.